Now, in addition to the online system, I've indicated that we've created an iPhone app that links directly to your website. If you have an iPhone, go to the iTunes store right now and download the app for free. Search for SalesPersonDream. Stop this video right now and download this app. Did you download it? Good. I knew you had what it takes to be successful. This means you should have two apps on your iPhone, List Creator and SalesPersonDream. Now you need to launch the app and log in. Type in the username you chose when you purchased the prospecting system from OMA. This is the same username you use when you log into your online account. Now type in a password, and then you'll need to type in your site PIN code. Type in 5,000, then click Login. You will now be taken directly to your today's calls listing. Since you are brand new to the system, there won't be any. Once you start getting prospects through the system, your today's calls list will start having names to call. This app works with your online system. If you add a contact to your online system, it will show up here and vice versa. To make a call, simply shake your phone or click on the contact. You will see this message to confirm that you want to make the call. Click Call. You will then be taken out of the app and back to your iPhone to make the call. Once your call has been completed, you need to log into the app again. It's not our fault. This is something that Apple makes us do. Launch the app. You will then be taken directly to the notes page for your contact. You can type in some notes about the call. Or you can use Siri if you have Siri enabled on your iPhone. I personally use Siri whenever possible to save time. The more you use Siri, the better Siri gets at recognizing your voice and commonly used words, and the more effective she becomes. There are some enhanced features that you may want to use. You can choose how many days until you want to follow up with this contact. This contact will reappear in your today's calls list after your specified number of days. You can also use the left message button on the top left corner. If you do not get a chance to speak with your contact and let the voicemail, click this button and the system will automatically send an email indicating you left the voicemail. It will also automatically put them to a follow-up in 3 days. You have access in your OMA online back office to edit the emails that are generated automatically when clicking any of the 6 buttons. Simply log into your online account and click the email button. Then click the series edit button. Then click the greeting card series. This is where all 6 emails that link to the 6 buttons exist. You can edit them here if you want to make any changes. You can see a list of your calls by clicking the completed calls button at the bottom. Your goal is to have no more calls to make at the end of the day. What I like about the app is that I simply open it up in the morning and I know exactly who needs to be called today. If you continually have no calls to make, it's very apparent that you're not putting enough effort into your business. Click the news button at the bottom and you'll see that this app can be used in both the MLM world as well as traditional sales. Read about the success a carpet store in BC is having using the app. Do you have a traditional business that could use a system like this? By following the program I have just laid out, you will succeed. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. Follow this system, teach this system, and become a success. Thanks for listening.